Top countries leading in robotics and AI, 2025. China. They are producing over 50% of global robot installations, mass-producing AI-powered humanoids. They have over 450,000 smart robot enterprises. They use robots in factories, hospitals, logistics, surveillance, and homes. They have AI embedded in robots for face recognition, movement control, speech, and decision-making. China is having a goal to become the #1 global robotics power by 2030. South Korea. Highest robot density, over 1,000 robots per 1,000 workers. Focus on semiconductors, automotive, and electronics. Uses AI for predictive maintenance and high-speed manufacturing. Japan. Pioneers in humanoid robotics, for example, Asimo. Leading in elder care robots and companion robots. Advanced use of AI in robotics navigation and emotional response. Germany. Strong in industrial and automotive robotics. AI helps improve factory automation and robotic precision, driving AI robotics standards in Europe. United States. Leader in AI research, for example, OpenAI, Boston Dynamics. Uses robotics in military, space, healthcare, and delivery. They are AI plus robotics power autonomous vehicles, Tesla, Waymo. They have advances in robotic natural language understanding. How AI has transformed robotics. We will tell you by telling each feature, then what was before AI, and then what is with AI of each of them. First is feature movement. Before AI pre-programmed paths, with AI adaptive real-time control. Second is feature object recognition, before AI limited, with AI vision-based identification. Third is feature decision-making, before AI manual input, with AI self-learning, machine learning, and deep learning. Fourth is feature language processing, before AI rigid commands, with AI human-like understanding. Fifth is feature maintenance, before AI reactive, with AI predictive, AI-driven alerts. Global impact. Robotics and AI are changing the world. Gap 2.0s, automating routine work but creating high-tech job opportunities. Drones and robots deliver packages faster. Robotaxis are now a reality in China and the United States. Surgical robots assist doctors with precision. AI robots help in climate analysis, medicine, and agriculture. What's next? Smarter humanoids with near-human reasoning. Global competition for AI robot leadership. AI chips for real-time robot learning. Everyday robots in homes, schools, and public places.